LinkedIn is one of the best places on planet Earth. I don't care if you're brick and mortar. I don't care if you're an online business. This is where all the company decision makers work, live, eat, sleep, and breathe. And I'm going to show you how I've been able to accrue clients using this amazing platform without paying for one ad. How's it going, Nez Nation? Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I just want to let you know really quickly that I'm creating a brand new series. This video, how to get clients from LinkedIn, how to get clients from the new social audio apps, Clubhouse, Green Room, coming up very soon, and how to get clients for your business, for your coaching, consulting, agency, whatever it is, on YouTube. I've been talking a lot about YouTube because YouTube has done amazing things for my business. So make sure you click subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified this brand new series. If you're a coach, if you're a consultant, if you're a business, I don't care if you're brick and mortar, I don't care if you're SMB, small, medium, big, large, this series is going to transform your business. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's get cooking with step number 1 on how to get clients on this amazing platform, LinkedIn. Number 1, the first thing that you have to do, you really have to nail down who it is you're trying to serve. Who is your audience? Who are your clients? Who are your customers? I know what you're thinking. Nez, everybody says this. You know why everybody says this? Because it's kind of important. Now, if you don't know how to identify your audience, I want you to know something. If you're just starting your business, I'm going to share with you a free download in the description. Make sure you go in the description down below because I've got this beautiful customer avatar breakdown PDF. It's going to share with you and show you exactly how to break down who your target audience is. Now, why this is important for LinkedIn is for multiple reasons. Number 1, you have to have a very strong presence on LinkedIn. You have to have a strong LinkedIn profile. If you don't know who you're serving, if you don't know who your clients and customers are, well, then your LinkedIn profile is not going to be able to communicate to that specific avatar, that specific client or customer, exactly why they should pay attention to you, why they should hire you, and how you can help them. Your LinkedIn profile is your virtual business card. 83% of customers and consumers say they make a decision after checking out your online presence. That, for you and me, is our LinkedIn profile. Besides websites, besides every other social media platform, business. LinkedIn is a business platform. So you've got to create a LinkedIn profile that properly identifies how you can serve these people. I'll give you an example. So I'm an executive career coach as well as a personal branding consultant. So I help executives, professionals, and business owners, content creators as well, brand themselves online. And so one of my ideal clients are people who are in the IT field, information technology executives. So by me knowing that CTOs, VPs of IT or information technology directors are really the kind of clients that not only are my ideal audience, but they can actually pay me so I can earn money. Remember, you're running a business. You got to get paid. You got to get money. I know exactly how to target those people. I know exactly where I need to go. I can actually reach out to people on LinkedIn with direct in-mail messages. I'm going to get to that a little bit later. For example, if you're a business that serves kids, let's say your product or service is ideal for little kids, right? Well, you wouldn't target little kids. You would target who are the people who are going to be able to pay you money. That would be the parents of those kids. So it's really, really important that you not only identify who your target audience is, but also who is the audience that's going to be able to pay you. That's really important. If you don't get paid, you don't have a business. Now, your LinkedIn profile needs to adhere to that ideal customer, to that ideal client, that ideal persona of who it is you're trying to serve. The biggest mistake that people make on LinkedIn is they make it all about themselves. Like, I'm an author, I'm a speaker, I'm a business owner, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a disruptor, I'm a wizard and a sorceress of marketing. Oh God, don't even get me started on those people. Okay, now that you've understood who your audience is, you've built a LinkedIn profile that adheres to that audience. Now, here is the big step right here. This is where all the real kind of work goes into accruing clients. And that is, you've got to build your authority. How do you do this without paying for ads? How do you do this without boosting and using Sales Navigator, etc.? Well, LinkedIn in the past 4 years has become one of the best places to actually build your personal brand. Go direct to the consumer. Really demonstrate your value to the marketplace. I'm living proof of this. I would advise you to really be a part of the community on LinkedIn. Really make your presence known. The best way I think that you can do this, and it's worked for me, I've gotten a lot of clients this way, is to actually create video content on LinkedIn. The LinkedIn profile has allowed for so many cool features, like the featured section, like, this new creator mode. It's allowed, LinkedIn is encouraging business owners, it's encouraging professionals to really start creating that relationship. Statistics show that most companies, most clients, most consumers love doing business with people who actually have videos, actually have content that gives them a little taste before they actually meet them. Video marketing has done wonders for my business. Well, you're seeing this video right now, and it gives you an idea of who I am. It gives you a little taste of my personality, my energy. Don't ever forget this, guys. People don't buy your credentials. People don't hire your accolades. They buy and hire your energy. And there's nothing better right now. So easy to create, even with your smartphone, creating videos and putting them on your LinkedIn profile, putting them out there on a regular basis. And really, I make the videos all about how you can help solve your ideal customer client avatar's problems. Don't make it about yourself. Are you noticing a trend here? Are you noticing a thread here? Don't ever make any of this stuff about you. If you're a business owner, if you're a coach, a consultant, whatever it is, if you want to be successful, you don't matter. Nobody cares about you. They only care about what's in it for them. So if you deliver and you have a service mindset, you're going to win. You're going to get clients on LinkedIn, and you'll be able to do that completely organically without any paid ads. LinkedIn is encouraging video creators. LinkedIn is coming up with so many new ways that you can basically turn your profile into a full functioning landing page, aka website that attracts your ideal clients and customers. I've got a ton of videos, an entire playlist. If you're kind of hearing these words, creator mode, featured section, I've got videos that will blow your mind, take you step by step. I'll also leave them at the end in the end screen, but you got to go check them out. I'll leave them in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure you go check them out. The last thing I just want to say, after knowing who your audience is, building your LinkedIn profile that adheres to your audience, and then actually branding yourself through what I think is the most powerful content marketing, the best way to build your personal brand and build your authority is with video content, putting yourself out there, solving your customer and clients' needs and problems. Really, the last thing is just to be human. I know you get spam messages all the time on LinkedIn. I do too. I know you get spam connection notices all the time. Be human. You wouldn't treat these people, you wouldn't approach these people in real life this way. Why are you doing it online like this? Be human, be authentic, be in earnest. Hey, Ted, I noticed that you run a digital marketing company. I actually have a lot of experience in that as well, and I think that I might be able to help. Do you mind if we jump on a quick 5-minute chat? You notice what I did there? The last thing, not only being human is so important, and don't come up with fuzzy language like, hey, I really like this one's the worst. I love your content. I love your page. You look so professional. We should be connected. No, we shouldn't. Be honest. Be human. You're a business owner. You think you can provide some value? Demonstrate that value. Tell me up front who you are and what you want. I will respect you more, and the platform will respect you more. The very last thing I want you to do is try to take the conversation offline. You need to get these people on the phone. I literally close 99% of my clients, I close after getting on one phone call. I charge a premium for my services. And so, naturally people are going to want to, put a voice to the name, a face to the name. They see my videos, they see my recommendations on my LinkedIn profile, over 230 of them, social proof. But they still always want to say, let's jump on a quick phone call before I transact. I just want to hear you. It makes it more visceral. It makes it more of a real thing. So you need to come up with strategies to take them offline. And by being upfront, by being honest, by building that social proof, by having a LinkedIn profile that adheres and really showcases who you are and how you can help them, how you can solve their problems, more people will be willing to get on the phone with you. When you get on the phone, or even a virtual conference like a Zoom, a Microsoft Teams, Skype, whatever, by actually interacting with them at that level, you've really done all the work. Now it's up to you to close, because nobody's going to get on the phone with you or get in a virtual conference if you haven't done all of those things that have shown to them it's worth their time to at least give you 10 minutes. And by the way, when you do take them offline, always say this, because people's time are very valuable. It's super valuable. Mine's valuable. Yours is valuable. Nobody wants to waste their time. Just say a quick 2-minute chat or 5-minute chat. I've been on, and not to say that you have to close them in 2 minutes or 5 minutes. By saying that, it alleviates that pressure of like, oh my gosh, this will be really fast. I won't have a lot of time. I'll be able to just have a real quick conversation. He or she seems like they have my best interest in mind. I'm not saying that you have to close them in 2 minutes. No. But just by saying that, you're letting them know that you value their time and you don't want to take up too much of it. I see people all the time. They're like, I'd like to get on a 45-minute phone conference with you. Here, schedule with my scheduler a 30-minute virtual conference or what have you. I'm like, 30 minutes? Who has 30 minutes? Who has 45 minutes? Start with something that appreciates and respects their time. That is more of an incentive. When you show that you respect their time, that's an incentive for them to get into that virtual conference or that quick phone call. And that's where you really need to produce. Why is it that they should do business with you? What is it about your services that differentiates yourself from the competition? And by doing that, that's how you can get massive clients. That's how I've done it on this beautiful thing called LinkedIn. Okay, just to sum up. Number one, know exactly who your audience is. I've got a beautiful, downloadable, completely free download where you can break down your customer avatar. Number two, now you need to build a LinkedIn profile that really communicates everything to your ideal customer audience, that communicates a powerful message saying, I'm in it for you. I'm here to help you. I know your problems. I understand your challenges. I have a solution. People have a vested interest in themselves. Number three, create content, create video content, put yourself out there, build your authority, which leads to number four, taking them offline. Once you've really built that relationship, once you've communicated with them through maybe direct messaging, or they've commented on your video, or they've seen your profile, reach out to them and say, hey, I would love to jump on just a quick 2-minute chat, a 5-minute virtual coffee, just to see if we're a good fit and just to see if we could be connections. That is how you really close clients. Use this exact formula. Simple, fast, easy. I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. Let me know which one of these tips seems the most reasonable or seems the most powerful to you. Do you have any tips? I know we have a lot of great, amazing professionals, executives, coaches, consultants on right here on Nez Nation. Let me know in the comments down below. What are your best tips for getting clients on LinkedIn without any paid advertising? I believe in paid advertising, but that's not what this video is about. Again, make sure you click subscribe, because I've got a series of videos just like this, how to get clients across many different platforms, across many different methodologies. If you're a business, if you're a coach, if you're a consultant, how you get clients and customers on these amazing apps like YouTube, Green Room, Clubhouse. I'm going to share with you in this amazing series. More to come, so make sure you click subscribe and don't go anywhere, because you got to check out these videos right here. If you like this video, check out this playlist on LinkedIn. Check out this video right here that walks you through everything you need to know about LinkedIn, and I'll see you over there.